In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a question group in Typeform. This feature will streamline your form by organizing related questions under a single header, making it easier for your audience to navigate through sections like chapters, address collections, or even different quiz difficulty levels. So, let's dive in and get started. First off, you'll want to open your form in the Typeform Builder. This is your main workspace where all the magic happens. Once you're in, look for the Content panel on your screen. It's your control center for adding, rearranging, or removing anything from your form. Go ahead and click on the +Add Content button. This action will bring up a list of options for you to choose from, and what you're looking for here is the Question Group option. Selecting this will instantly create a new group in your form, complete with a header and an automatically generated first question. Think of this as your starting point, a blank slate ready for your custom input. Now, it's time to personalize the header. Click on it to edit and give it a meaningful name that suits the questions that will reside under it. For example, you might name it Contact Details if you're gathering personal information, or Level 1 if you're setting up a tiered quiz. This will help keep things organized, both for you and your respondents, as they move through your form. Next, turn your attention to the drop-down arrow next to the group header. Clicking this will expand the group and show the first default question inside. Here, you have the freedom to edit this question. Simply type your question text, and don't forget, you can use the sidebar for any additional tweaks, such as changing the question type, adjusting the label, or refining the settings to best fit your needs. Once your first question is in place, you can add more by clicking +Add Content again, this time inside the group. This allows you to build out your section with all the questions relevant to that group. Plus, you can easily drag and reorder these questions to ensure they're in the optimal order for clarity and flow. Need to add questions outside of your group? It's simple. Just click +Add Content outside the group, or you can even drag existing questions out if necessary. A word of caution here. If you plan to delete the group header, make sure to drag your questions out first. Deleting the header will remove all associated questions, and unfortunately, there's no undo option for this action. Remember, the group header won't appear in any of your exported data. It's just a tool for organization. But rest assured, each question within will be fully captured. Additionally, question groups integrate seamlessly with Typeform functionalities, such as branching logic and scoring, making them versatile tools in your form-building kit. And there you have it. A question group in Typeform is now just a few clicks away.